Where does the name for Bethesda come from? So today I'm in Bethesda. It's a fairly large town in Gwynedd, in the foothills of Snowdonia. Let's get into the name. So like many places in Wales, the town was named after a chapel. And that would be this chapel behind me, Bethesda. Now most chapels took their name from a place from the Bible. Now given that the Bible is largely set in the Middle East, most of the names are actually from the Middle East as well. Here it's from a place called Bethesda, which is Hebrew, and it's from the word Beit, which means a house, and then we have Chesda, which means mercy in Hebrew. Bethesda was originally an Aramaic name, borrowed into Hebrew and then into Biblical Greek, and from there into Latin, which was then where Welsh borrowed the name from. But if it's Bethesda, why did it become Bethesda? Well, Greek borrowed it from Hebrew as Bethesda, and we saw the T and the H together and decided it was a th. It was a pool in Jerusalem which supposedly had the ability to heal the paralysed, as is described in the book of John, in which Jesus is recounted as healing a paralysed man, hence the name the House of Mercy. It's currently located in the Muslim quarter of Jerusalem, which in Welsh is called Caer Salem. Before it was called Bethesda, it was called Cilfoden or Glanogwen, names we will explore in later videos. The chapel was built in 1820 but enlarged in the 1840s as the town grew around the slate industry. At one point the town exported most of the purple slate around the world. It's famous of course for its slate mines, some of the most exploitative in Wales, at Penrhyn Quarry, owned of course by the nice folks who owned Penrhyn Castle, who used to be slavers. Bethesda is also the site of the longest industrial action in British history, which lasted 3 years between 1900 and 1903. It got so bad the quarry owners built a special village, draugr, down the road for the people who opted to continue working through the strike. So a big thank you to Luke, one of my Patreons. I really appreciate all the support that I get for making my videos. If you want to sponsor a video and have your name attached to a certain place, you can on a certain tier of my Patreon. You'll find more information in my bio. So the name literally means the House of Mercy. Anyway, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Have a good one.